Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to add members to WhatsApp group. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Click on the group chat you want to add members to. Tap on the top of your screen where the name of the group is located. Here you will see the add icon. Tap on it. Now choose the member you want to add. Then click on the check icon. And you will add members to the WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to add members to the WhatsApp group. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.